Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys on how to repair the loose portions on your dash, on your Ram Limited or other trims with the leather dash. As you can see, there's some minor loosening across the dash. It's very common with these Rams with the leather dash. So in today's video, I'll show you guys how to do it quickly and easily so it will be glued back down. First of all, we want some thin viscosity glue. You can use another brand if you want. This is the one I found. It has to be thin enough for you to enter into the syringe. The products used in this video are available on our website, weekendgarage.com. You guys can check it out. We want to load up our syringe with a glue, which we already have to speed things up for the video. Next up, if there's a lot of tension on your dash, you can use a steamer. Like for these portions, you can see the leather stretched out. You can use a steamer in the general area to help soften it up before you inject the glue underneath the leather. But for this part, since it's already very loose, there is no point of using a steamer here. So this is a 23 gauge needle. Make sure you don't poke yourself. And then when you are injecting the glue on the dash, you can face yourself with the needle, face towards the driver. So when you're sitting from the driver's position, you're not going to see any needle holes, even if there are any. It's going to be fairly small, which you won't see. But if you have OCD like me, you will see it. So inject it from the windshield direction. So you want to use your hands to feel for any loose spots or areas that we're going to inject the glue into. I want to have some wet paper towel in case there's some spillage. You don't want to go too deep with the needle. If you go too deep, it'll go into the foam. We're now going to inject the glue and use your other hand to help spread the glue and press the leather down. After you inject the glue in there, we're going to use our other hand to help spread it out. In case any glue comes out the hole, have your paper towel ready to wipe it off. And then we're going to repeat the process for any part that feels loose. So once you inject the glue in there, the whole tube, you want to use your hand to spread out the glue and remove any of the wrinkles on your dash. You can use a wet microfiber towel as well, or some wet paper towel. So when you're putting in the needle, you want to make sure you put it in the right level. First level, it's the leather, and then there's the gap where the looseness occurs, and then there's styrofoam under, or high density foam. So when you put the needle in and you go too deep, it's going to be stiff, and you pull it back out, you're going to feel a void between the leather and the gap. That's where you want to inject the glue. So make sure you're not putting the needle straight in all the way, because you're just injecting glue into the high density styrofoam, and you want to bring it back out to inject the glue inside the gap. After that, use your hands to spread out the glue, or wet microfiber or wet paper towel, just so you're not scratching your leather on your dash. This will take some time, so be patient, and you will immediately feel the difference in how stiff and attached the leather will be. There's an instant improvement after applying this super glue. There's no more wrinkles on the dash, and the trim and stitching is now stiff and firmly attached. Okay, now you're going to use your hand to feel for any soft spots, and then we're going to do the same. Needle in, make sure it's the right layer, and inject the glue. After that, we're going to use the other hand to spread out the glue. Here. And it's just rinse and repeat. Right now I'm just spreading the glue out from underneath the leather.
So if you guys want to tape here as well, that'll help in case there's any glue splatter. It'll keep the glue from staining your dash. So it's an extra little tip, and it saves you the hassle of having a mess.
This is what the finished product looks like. As you can see, there's no more wrinkles. And the dash, the leather on the dash has zero play on both sides. It's very evenly spread out now. So if you guys were thinking about doing this at home, as you can see, it'll turn out great. So no need to worry if you're on the fence about it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. See you guys on the next one.